Hey guys, I'm coming with you guys with a new sitcom I'm going to be coming. And this sitcom is based on me and my nephew Neo. Neo! Come here.
Okay.
Hey YouTube!
You too.
Say what's up?
What's up?
Okay, let's go.
Listen.
Come here. Venga. Yes, so heavy. Stand up. So this is the Neo and Glenn Face show. Woo!
That's Neo. Neo.
Neo! So which one I'll talk about today? Say. So what's good with SpongeBob, huh? You like SpongeBob?
Yeah.
SpongeBob. You love SpongeBob. What about Titi Menda? You love me?
Yeah, I love Titi Menda.
Cool. So you want to say anything about YouTube?
YouTube.
Say, I like Titi. Say, I love my Titi. I love my Titi.
Not even Neo.
You're so cute. So give us topics to talk about. Me and Neo will talk about it. He's a little camera shy. He's excited that he's on a camera. And he's doing weird things. Remember, he's only 2. Give us topics to talk about. He's weird. Give us topics to talk about and we will. So, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give a camera a kiss. Give a kiss.
Let me see Neo.
Give a kiss. Say bye, YouTube.
Neo.
Say bye.
Bye, Neo.
No, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Give me a kiss.